Okay, our Pontiac Grand Prix GXP V8 is getting a car wash at the Cale's Car Wash here in Humboldt, Texas. We are going to get ready to get our car washed because it's nice weather, the sun is shining. It's for getting your car washed nice and clean here. Yeah, we are going to get the GXP all nice and clean. There's Volvo S62.5. Here comes our car. Our car is coming in, slowly but surely. There's the soap, and there's the 2-basket front to back mirror. Here's the bug sprayer. And there's our car. It's the wheel brushes, and there's our car again. And here I am. Okay, we're gonna come over here and watch our car get to the wheel brushes. Yeah, we are gonna get this red car all nice and clean here. Yep, and there it goes to the high pressure rinse Omni arch. Better watch for the car. And there it goes. Okay, and here's another wheel washer, wheel cleaner that's with water. But now we're not getting wax. Volvo S62.5T. Pontiac Grand Prix GXP V8. There goes our car. It's gonna get another front to back mirror. The wheel cleaner, it's done. Okay. Now we're gonna come over here, and our car is going to the final bump before it gets rinsed and dried. Okay, now I'm gonna come over here into the step.
Here it comes, huh?
Yep, it's gonna go to the dryer. There goes our car. They're gonna dry the car up. The water's gonna get blown off. Okay, now we have a nice and shiny car. And here's our car. Now we are having a nice and shiny car. The guys are gonna polish up the car. And there goes our car. We're gonna come over here to the final window and watch our car get polished. And our cars, it's gonna get polished up. And now we have a nice and shiny car, okay? I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.